Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we have learned how to install PowerShell 7. So I have installed PowerShell 7 and now I have launched it. So if I run a command $ps version, so if you see guys, it is prompting me all this itself. So I don't need to remember any commands. I can simply type the initial words and it will give me all the available commands so that I can have uh, I don't need to remember all those commands. So I just run it, and if I enter, it is giving me the PowerShell version. So similar way, I can write command get hyphen and child item. It's gave me automatically. If I want to run something else, so it will give me auto pop-up for the commands, complete commands, and this will help me a very uh, this will be very helpful. For example, in case I want to run a Azure commands get hyphen AG and it gave me automatically that resource group itself. So it means I can just have very easy useful from the PowerShell. So I don't have any Azure subscription logged in through it, so it will not give me any of the resource group here. So I will just cancel this one for now. Okay, so let's start the video 3. So in this video we will be learning what is the difference between command prompt, PowerShell and bash. So command prompt used to happen the Windows tool which before PowerShell we used to manage the Windows operating system with the help of the command tool. Also command prompt is still available on all Windows operating system, so we still can manage it. So for example, to list the directory, we used to have dir command. It used to list all the directories and content. To change the directory, we used to do that. So for example, let me open a command prompt here. In case I want to list what all directories and files are inside this folder, so I can simply type dir and it will list all the available files and directories inside this directory. In case I want to change the directory cd, and in case I want to go inside that music, so I can simply cd and that folder name and see I'm inside that folder. So earlier we used to manage the Windows operating system the command prompt. So these are some commands. So in case you want to copy a files, we simply can use copy file 1 and file 2. So we can also copy it to the different directory. Just copy file and give the location to the another file. So and you can just copy it from here to there. Same way, bash born again shell, which used to in Mac and Linux based operating system to manage those. So we use bash for that. In bash we use ls instead of dir. So ls is used to list the directories and contents inside the directory. So in case you want to change the directory inside bash, you can simply write. So I don't have bash installed here, so this is the people who are from Linux and Mac background, they must be aware of it. Okay, so guys, so after that PowerShell is introduced. PowerShell is one of the hybrid shell which have multiple advantage like cross-platform, Windows, Mac OS and Linux, everywhere we can use PowerShell. It is object-oriented scripting language. It means everything in PowerShell is a object. When we will start scripting, you will be seeing that every PowerShell object has its properties and methods. So we can use it. It is deep integrated with Windows and .NET, and it is ideal for both administrative task and scripting. Uh, so that it can make your life easy to automate your day-to-day tasks. So these are some commands. Let me write it. So this is my PowerShell window. So see, when I will write get hyphen child item, so it will give me all the list, all the files and directory inside my C drive. So see, it is giving me all that. Similar way, in case I want to go another directory, so I can simply go set location and I can go any agent. For example, I want to go inside this agent. So I simply, not this actually, location. location, uh, yeah, T location, and I can give the name of the directory where I want to go. So when instead of cd in PowerShell, we used to use the command set hyphen location to go to another directory. Similar way, in case I want to see what is inside a file, so I can use uh, a file. For example, I want to know what is inside that config.cmd file. So I simply can run that get hyphen content, and what I need, I want to uh, config.cmd, and it will give me whatever written in inside that config.cmd. So it is going to give me all the content. Okay. So there is more comparison between, in case you want to list a files or directory inside from a directory. So in command prompt we used to use dir, in bash we use ls PowerShell get hyphen child item. Similar way, to change the directory we use cd and set hyphen location. To find a text in command prompt we use find, in bash we use grep, and in PowerShell we use select string, which we will be using in future videos. Read file contains, so it is type we use in command prompt cat in bash, and get hyphen content in PowerShell. So these are just commands, guys. You can try these commands on all type of cells, whether it is CMD, bash, or PowerShell. So it will give you more easy way. So in case you can run these commands at your Linux and Mac OS, so that get hyphen child item, which will give you the all the contents of your directory, set hyphen location, and this icon, it will just set a location of your home directory. Select hyphen string hyphen path and log pattern error. So in case you want to search any of the any word inside a file, so you simply can use this command and get hyphen computer info to check the computer information inside your Mac and Linux OS. So thank you so much for your time, guys. Let's meet on upcoming videos. I will make you understand how we can use PowerShell to automate different administrative tasks. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.